In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Save and Continue Later widget in your online form, or alternatively, enable this feature directly in the form settings. This is a helpful tool that lets users save their progress and come back to finish the form later, which can be incredibly useful, especially for longer forms where users may not have all the necessary information on hand or need to pause before completing. Let's begin by looking at how to enable this feature within your form settings. First, you'll want to access your form builder tool or platform. This could be any online form builder you are currently using. Once you've located your form, open it up to start editing. At this point, you should look around for the settings menu or tab within the form builder interface. Usually, this will be found on the upper section of your control panel, marked clearly for easy access. Once there, navigate to the options related to user functionality and features. You might see something like Advanced Settings or Form Options. Select this section as it usually contains more detailed settings for various functionalities. Within these options, you should see an option that mentions Save and Continue Later, or something similar. It might be a checkbox or toggle switch. To activate this feature, simply check the box or turn the switch on. This will enable the Save and Continue functionality, making it visible to all users filling out the form. Once enabled, you'll want to save your settings to ensure that this new functionality sticks. Now, if your form platform supports widgets or add-ons, another way to accomplish this is by using a widget specifically designed for this purpose. In your form builder, search for a widget section or button. This is typically located in a sidebar or top menu. Look for a widget that mentions saving and continuing later or any similar keywords. Once you find this widget, click to add or drag it into your form. Placement can depend on your form structure, but it's typically best to position it at the beginning of the form or near sections that might take longer to fill out. This ensures that users notice it early in the process and can take advantage of it as needed. After placement, be sure to test the form yourself to confirm that the widget functions correctly. After either method, test your form to see for yourself how it works. As you fill it out, there should be an option to save and continue later, generating a unique link that can be used to return to the form. And that's it! By following these steps, you've added a convenient and user-friendly feature to your form, helping ensure that all your users have a smooth and accommodating form filling experience. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this addition makes managing and completing forms simpler for both you and your users.